Victory is certain, fellow Zimbabweans, sons and daughters of the soil. The time is come. The people of Zimbabwe will celebrate this coming victory more joyfully than we did on that glorious day of independence in 1980, because the victory will not just be against colonial bondage, it will be against the internal bondage of greed, betrayal, and cartel capture that has enslaved our nation once again. Sarabna mashuko kutoka pangwa ino na retired Lieutenant General Skauki Mapranga don't subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Netramira Chiti, Mnangagwa and his Canada cartel group, led by the likes of Kodakwashi, Taguri, and their enablers, are finished. How can a sitting president oversee the bravery of members of parliament with the 31 million US dollars of public money just to cling to power and amend the constitution for his own benefit? $50,000 per MP to sell our democracy. This is not leadership. This is outright capture. On top of that, Mnangagwa blessed the wedding of the son of criminal businessman Tagore, where they raised and planted 23 million in gifts and cash, money that could have built hospitals, stocked pharmacies, or fed the hungry across our land. While our people suffer in poverty, the Uganda throw millions around like confetti at lavish parties. This is an insult to every war veteran, every teacher, every nurse, and every struggling family in Zimbabwe. We are going to stop this madness. Mnangagwa must remember history. Mobutu Sese Seko tried this path in Zaire, looting the nation while building palaces as his people starved. Idi Amin Dada tried the same path in Uganda, surrounding himself with sycophants and plunging the country into ruin. Both paths ended in tears, disgrace, and exile. The same fate awaits those who think they can turn Zimbabwe into personal fiefdom. We, the true sons of the liberation struggle, stand with the constitution and with the people, not the individuals, not the cartels. The struggle continues. Aluta continua. The victory of the people is certain. Zimbabwe will be free again. Yes, the peace is retired Lieutenant Winston Skaukema Branga. I will keep the historical warnings and the constitutional argument strong. Do much kwa nubla nyoko pangwa ina. Na comment section medu za fumura enyi motu lipa mzuru pechit kwa ichi. So subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon.